Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to change your wallpaper on iPhone devices. So as you see, I already have the iPhone in my hand, and all I'm gonna do is just go into the settings tab, then go into the wallpaper tab, and go into the add new wallpaper. And all you need to do is just choose a photo that you would like from your photos, maybe, or like photo shuffle and everything. Just click on the photo that you would like and press add, and then you can set it as a wallpaper or customize home screen. Then press it done. You can choose a photo like this to have it as a pair, and that's basically it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.